enter a URL and submit. So you will see the result here: total links, internal links, external links, and no follow links. So you will see this result here, and you will see the result for no follow or do follow. So these all links are do follow. Here are the external links, and it's also do follow. You can save as CSV. Just click on export as CSV. A link analyzer is a tool that allows you to analyze the links on a web page or website. A link is a connection from one page to another. So thanks for watching, and comment this video useful for you or not.